In this video, I'm breaking down plumbing fittings explained so you can finally get what all those pipes and connectors actually do around your home. Alright, so first up, plumbing fittings are basically the connectors that join different sections of pipe together, and they come in tons of shapes and sizes. You got things like elbows for changing directions, T's that split or combine flow, and couplings that just join straight pieces. When you're working on a project, always pick fittings that match the pipe material, like copper fittings for copper pipes or PVC fittings for plastic ones, because mixing can cause leaks or damage. Another thing is to make sure you're using the right size. Even a ½ difference can mess up the whole system. Don't forget to clean and prep the pipes before attaching fittings, especially when you're sweating copper or gluing PVC, because that helps everything seal tight. When tightening threaded fittings, I usually recommend hand tightening first and then giving it a small turn with a wrench so you don't over-tighten and crack anything. Also, use plumber tape or pipe joint compound on threaded connections to prevent leaks. That stuff is like magic. Lastly, always double-check your local plumbing codes before starting, because they'll tell you exactly what kind of fittings are allowed and where. One of the biggest mistakes I see with plumbing fittings is using the wrong type for the pipe material, like trying to connect copper directly to PVC without a proper transition fitting, which can lead to corrosion and leaks. Another common slip-up is not properly sealing threaded connections. Skipping plumber's tape or joint compound almost always ends in drips or worse. And third, folks sometimes over-tighten fittings because they think it'll make it stronger, but it actually cracks the fittings or strips threads, causing bigger headaches down the line. Fixing these usually means swapping out bad fittings for the right ones, cleaning everything properly before assembly, and tightening just enough to seal without forcing it. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty dope because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about all kinds of home projects, including plumbing. On the flip side, it's a solid platform for contractors to find steady work from people who really need help with updates or repairs around their places.